So today I'm unboxing this phone of LYF, because this is the phone of Reliance, launched after the Jio SIM was launched. It having a 5.5 HD IPS screen, 2920 mAh battery, 8 megapixel back camera, 2 megapixel front camera, 2 GB RAM and HD playback and recording. Okay, 64-bit processor, which is good. And Android you'll get 5.1.1 Lollipop. Okay, you will get 4G plus 2G dual SIM. It means you'll get 4G in front. Okay, this phone is having a price of 11,599, but actually you will get this in 6,499, as this is showing that. Okay, so 6,499, and if you give more 300 rupees, then you will get this Reconnect Bluetooth speaker, which is of 6,899. Really nice packaging. Okay, here's the phone. Rubber grip. It's good. And here. Okay, so here's the charger, and also the thing is here. And you'll get a screen protector with cloth. Just unbox this first. Yeah. It is a headphone. Okay. Quality of headphone is good. Get USB cable, connecting cable. Okay, what is this? Limited warranty terms and condition. Okay, I want this. Here's quick start, guys. Right, so next side, charger. Charging this. Okay. Here it is, a charger. This is good. Okay, let's see this. About its quality, it's not look cheap. It's over. Now come to this. I'm setting this device. Get the point here. See that? Okay, you will get SIM 1 slot. So I'm entering the Jio SIM. You will get a memory card slot, another SIM slot. Okay, I'll settle this up, then I'll show you. Here you'll see I'm playing Subway Surfer. Okay, so I'm playing this game smoothly. It's not hanging while playing this. Now I'll just go to music and see the sound quality. We'll get the speaker in the back. Yeah. Okay. Okay. The sound quality of this phone is good. Now we'll go to video quality of this. Okay. So this phone is good, and I'll show you its camera quality, autofocusing, and video quality at night, at day, both. Camera, okay, which is good. You'll get the options like this. Get the front camera. Yeah. So here's the front camera and back camera. You will get three options: capture camera, video recording, and swipe panorama. How fast the Geo is in this phone. We'll see the quality of YouTube in this. I mean, how good it play YouTube's. I've chosen this and see the speed of the net. So as I said, that sound is good. I'm using the net in this, and which is pretty fast. Of course, it's 4G LTE HD. So I think it's a good phone. I'm using this since from 1 week. Not gotten any type of problems. Please like this.